What's up, everyone? Check out this cool gadget I got my hands on, the GOGO Drift GoKart Kit. Basically, it turns your regular hoverboard into a freaking go-kart. How awesome is that? I've been messing around with it for a while now, and I gotta say it's a blast. So, first off, this thing is super versatile. They say it fits almost any hoverboard on the market, and from what I've seen, that seems pretty accurate. It's got this extendable frame, so you can adjust the width and height, meaning it works for both kids and adults. My younger cousins even had a go, and they loved it. Plus, the whole thing folds down, which is super convenient for storage or if you want to take it with you somewhere. Now, let's talk about the fun factor. This thing is seriously a game changer. It takes the hoverboard experience to a whole new level. You're not just standing there anymore. You're sitting down, steering with the handlebars, and feeling like you're in a real go-kart. It's so much more engaging and exciting. I took it around the park, and honestly, I felt like a kid again. But it's not just about fun, it's also about safety. This kit has a built-in shock absorber, which is a huge plus. It really smooths out the ride, especially on bumpy surfaces. And trust me, I tested it out on some pretty rough terrain. My back definitely thanked me for that shock absorber. It also has disc brakes on the front wheels, which give you much more control and stopping power than just relying on the hoverboard itself. That's a big deal for safety, especially if you've got kids using it. The build quality is pretty solid too. It's got a sturdy metal frame that feels like it can handle a beating. I wasn't exactly gentle with it, and it held up really well. And even though it's made of metal, it's not ridiculously heavy. The telescopic rods help keep the weight manageable, so you can still carry it around if you need to. Setting it up was a breeze. Seriously, it took me just a few minutes to attach my hoverboard. It's basically just strapping it in place. No complicated instructions or tools required. And the best part is, if you want to upgrade your experience, you can just upgrade your hoverboard. Want more speed? Get a faster hoverboard. Want to go off-road? Get an off-road hoverboard. The possibilities are endless. Overall, I'm really impressed with the GOGO Drift GoKart Kit. It's fun, safe, and well-built. It's a great way to add some excitement to your hoverboard and get even more use out of it. If you're looking for a cool accessory to spice up your hoverboarding life, I definitely recommend checking this out. It's a total game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.